4, 5. Kidding me? 6 of these. Right? What? Hello everybody. We're here again. John SpankyStokes is here. Me with another review. And today we have something, like always, something really, really cool. I feel like I don't review stuff that isn't cool. How fortunate am I, right? I get to open up awesome stuff all the time. Thanks to all these rad artists and creatives and companies that send me things to just check out and record my reaction on video. Today we have a really cool one that was really unexpected, so it's like, wow. This is the Space Dog from artist Han Ning. I hope I pronounced that right. I believe Han is from he's a Chinese-based artist, China. And Space Dog is his own IP, his own creation. You can see him there, right there. There's Han. You can go to 6hl6.com to check some stuff out. His work. Here's a little story. The Space Dog. So, one thing that is very striking about this, just right from the get-go, is the packaging. Kind of like these electronic proof kind of bags with a tag. You can see right here, Space Dog Classic Edition. All the info and a little color, right? Well, Han didn't just send us one. He sent us 2. Well, there's that. 3, 4, 5. Kidding me? 6 of these, right? What? And they all come in these packaging, all differentiated by that little color strip. These are all classic edition, and these are actually all a larger version of a previously released one that he did. I want to say the one before was much smaller, like 2 inches. So this has like a security tape on it. I'll rip the whole bag. But yeah, those things, that's tough to open. Legit tape right there. Pull the dog out. So this is Space Dog. Oh, the camera can pick that up. Glare from the light. So there's Han's name. There's the doggy. I'm not sure which version this is, because I'm guessing this is the yellow version. So it's a dog, very stylized, very cute, very cartoonish, wearing an astronaut helmet. Do these come off? No. It's vinyl. No articulation. Very simple, but very cute. I gotta say, I'm actually looking forward to showing my daughter these. I think she is going to absolutely love them. Let's see. Let me fast forward through this so we can see them all, because this tape is going to prove to be a challenge. So, fast forward. So, as you can see, the camera shifted. I figure this is a better representation. We can see these guys a little bit better. Here's all 6. So this is the yellow version. Very nice blue collar, complementary color with the yellow, the brown eyes. You see the brown eyes. We have focus there. There we go. Very nice yellow. All of these colors are like a pastel, which is really cool. Next is, I believe, the white version. Nice kind of mint green eyes, the pink collar. That's the white one. Here we have, that is the pink version. More of like a lavender eye with a mint green collar. Very, very wonderful complementary colors. Here's the blue edition with a darker blue color eye and like a cream colored collar. Here is this I believe is the peach edition. That also has brown eyes and a nice lavender colored collar. Really nice. And here is the green edition with a more emerald green eye and a yellow collar. Very, very cool. I really can't get enough of how cool these guys are. They're just like the perfect little guy, little companion, little doggy. How adorable are they? Size comparison wise, let me pull out my trusty 3-inch dunny by Mars 1, or I'm sorry, Mr. Mars. Always mess that up. Mars. So that's a 3-inch dunny back there. So you can see that these are 5.5 inches tall. 6 different colorways. Super adorable. Come with a little helmet. From what I can tell, I think you can go to this website right here and you can navigate to the store, although it is, I believe, in Chinese. But I also did find that our friends over at Strange Cat Toys have these up for sale as well, and they are $70 a piece. A little pricey, but I think that price is because of this helmet, the hard ABS PVC. I don't think those are very cheap to produce, from what I remember talking about toy production. I think that is the only downside to this, if there is any. Is the price. It is a little steep. I could see these maybe $55-60, I think, would be the sweet spot for them. But they are very nice sized, super cute, and just really fun toys. So I just want to say a huge thank you to Han for sending these out. I love them. I can't get enough of them. Like, I need to figure out what I'm going to do with them because they're just so adorable. I have to display them somewhere. And there's all kinds of other rad work by Han too. He had some of these customized recently for, I believe, Singapore Toy Show, STS, and they just look so cool. Some really good artists went to town on them. So yeah, there it is. There they are. There it is. Space Dog. You guys, pick some of these up. Very, very cool. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I am constantly trying to do videos, try to give you guys a inside look at some of the toys coming out or that have been out for a while. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and look for our next video very soon. Until next time, like always, peace and hair grease.